Greetings everyone. So today I want to talk about some more watch band. Now I did a previous video of the watch bands that I did with the Galaxy Watch 6 because that's what I have right now. And I was sent some more band to cover it. If you've seen the previous video, you see me go to the demo and all that stuff of the watch band. So this one is not magnetic or Velcro. This one is basically just strap, okay? The other bands that I've did were either Velcro or magnetic. Now I'm wearing the magnetic one because that's my preference, all right? The Velcro one, like I said in that video, I showed you in a demonstrator. So check out that video, all right? But in this video, we're talking about the ones with just the strap, okay? So you can adjust the strap, put it on, and then tighten it up to your desire. Now, just like the one that's magnetic, it's stretchy. So you can see it's flexible. So that means it's gonna be easy for you to put on. Easily, all right? Because you can just stretch it and put it on and take it off, and it's gonna fit with you nice and neat, okay? So let's go ahead and put this one on now. First, I'm gonna remove the ones that I have. And if you watch that video, it shows you how to easily take them off and on, okay? Like this particular one is a button and it slips out of place. All right. There's a button right there that makes it easy for it to come off. Same thing with these. Okay. You see that button right there, that silver button? That's what you use to take it off and on. So you want to slide it down, push the button so it slides into place. And then you'll hear it snap. See, it's nice and secure. Same thing on this side. Do the same thing. Slide it down, and then you'll hear it snap. Okay? So there you go. It's that easy. This is what it looks like. Okay? And then with this one, like I said, all you need to do is adjust the band to where it's comfortable for you, and then you just slip it on. Now, you see how loose it is? But it's adjustable. So you can adjust it to your wrist and slide it on because it stretches. And you have to probably do it a couple times to get the right size. But once you get it right, you don't have to keep on adjusting it anymore. It just slips right on. So you see, there you go. So once you get it to your preference, it fits just like that. No Velcro, no magnets. It just slip on, slip off. But like I said, it's flexible. So it's going to go over your wrist easily. All right. Just like that. Just like that. Okay, so the only difference with this one compared to the one that's magnetic and Velcro is the fact that you don't have those things to deal with this one. It just slips on and off your wrist. Just like that. You can adjust it so it fits your wrist at a comfortable level and then slip in and slip out. All right. So that's what I wanted to present to you in this video. It's a simple, quick video just to give you an additional to the ones that I did before. So make sure you check out those videos. All right. Link is going to be in the description for this particular style right here, this color. All right. And if you like it and you want it, make sure you go down to the description and click on that link. I want to thank you for taking the time for watching. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.